Have you been lied to about this your whole life? What if I told you everything you knew about lightning was wrong? Picture this, a stormy night, and a lone tree stands in a field. You've heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice, right? Well, it's time to debunk that myth. In truth, lightning can and does strike the same spot multiple times, especially tall structures like skyscrapers or even trees. Using quick paste editing, we cut to visuals of the Empire State Building, which is struck around 23 times a year. Surprised? Lightning is just following the path of least resistance, and if that path leads to the same place, so be it. So next time you're caught in a storm, remember, lightning doesn't play favorites. To leave you rethinking, here's a mind-blowing question: if lightning can strike twice, what other impossible things are just myths waiting to be debunked?